Yada say ya walk over via Badwam TV. Badwam Jumadi ya wo she yada se pa ne health tips no. Siatika ne de ho nkomo de tie ne yo na wonyini ko wani mu no woni ma bi a wo ye betumi anya sa problem no ebi. Eno ti ene wo se eye wo sem hia se. Ye di nkomo ati se ya obetie free Monday na abepeme ne ye guso o chena ye beto so. Bibia how wo nipadua na famu eya wo yanom ne ade a doctor na ye krado de number no to ho na wo na kasa na mom hye so say ye endpoint homeopathic clinic adwumakoi wonti ene yetimi de health tips no ebro adwoda adukosi fiada na this time Father's Day no nye screening keke na mom endpoint so be chade wona won aye adwuma fie bebre ni no wanya apomuden penti obeche wade nso aka ho mema na sem na make mema ni titiri man mo so mo de ho special but Father's Day we de endpoint person ye no ti yare bia ha wadwe ne nkasa 0244 867068 0244 867068 na woni endpoint eni enkomo na de yedru swei ene ye ba be kasa fa complications of STIs. Dr. PK Owusu ena anopei wabaha oni yebekasa afa condition infections the tintin tete mu ano dog anopei mu ache na bibia bokode
na me adona so
adom wo hu ye mobo ye ka STD ana STIs eno eyedia
ye onya ba me da se me chelty for no shop na said your kind me dey Dr. PK Owusu Dr. 0T44878431. That's how they call me.
What number? No?
Yeah.
Dr.
0T44
0244
878431. I'm for saying number na kika na yomu deke. That is why I also always be American 0T44 on the
T44.
And I'm team from Dr. Mercia the medical imaging scientist and also a herbal practitioner.
Okay.
Na me na me that Grace Phytclinic e wo kuma sa brepona cross kwa binya said the only about can Father's Day year drew na. And Father's Day year drew.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, any movie who promotion Anna June. Oh, okay, so it's far. No problem. When you said all kind of complications of STI, now still can say STI is in the ground anything. STI is sexually transmitted infections. That is why I say we call it sexually transmitted infections. And she say about 90% of infertility problems are related to infections. Ma and I remember one because of and then we see sex as a game. It's just a mere game. But it has a lot of repercussions. And you know, so boy be brain and I say, Debbie make us say fibroid in Sia one quan. Be my dear Sia one quan in Nemuari because my patient be all fibroid or think they want a 3 a week. So when infections are ultimately woman in the year, especially whereby so when you be a pen say, oh, call your test be a pen that histosapinography. Your children tips in night head, Majumanum. Yeah, Mamma Mopa won't say a show 1 month, 2, 3 months, next I one in Maya. Only about what we do is we do the histosapnia that be cool massing. Therefore, Massania has so much here. So call diagnosis na who say a bilateral hydrosapienza. It tells you the natural way. This is called IVF. IVF no sunyaba. It's about 60,000 to about 120,000 Ghana cedis. Connected to 600 million to about 1.2 billion. New couples bear now masha brabo sia umetimi akwakoya IVF no. That is why I say a man be brain no ye fefe na afim na ne ma kaniem. Meaning man be always kapa and so no akwakoya IVF ni because of hydro. Me Dr. Pickles what I do is say obana ye hydro sapienza. So hydro means water in the tube. There is no way with me the natural way me I'm just a man and then honestly speaking oba there was a mekacho me waste to be time because into a dear man a man for a problem power fertility and nemyare into unya ba wuti me many abema team so wona unya pina itching ubonso bemem kekao unya scrotal pain so shoma ban emu yo ya emu no penetrated through oh, I will produce sperm cells in a norm so kunkunwe. That is why I said normally no be obeba oligospermia. Yes, it no so form. Now if you there na me yan say you diagnosed with oligospermia, also when your treatment. Na na ye oba bia wutie mi bia dey bia menses bia no bosumi bia no okusu ya nesa. Every time bia bosumi bia no menses eba okusu ya nesa. That is why I say I mean person be waste your more time. It mean ya ba unya be ma wutie mi ankasa. Yes, or low sperm count. Brambeji treatment and now Dr. Duat produce so or no 1 month and we jump to spend count only about 1 module crash to be about 3 months to 6 months. Your condition be a friends as spermia, you can't spermia, or producing quam one being soon sperm cells in evening. Or no, so what's here? Me, a medical scientist, what I do is say, yeah, you be a friend says quota examination. It will be a Michelle show no matter no scanning him. You're the normal volume of testicles, you're afraid it's a microorganism. Obi a wuti maybe our partner umbra or nipa okunu umbra also umba hospital sometimes obi how when so was spend when so condition obi waste your time until the and one say carry the testicles also so mama massage na he eyenkitinkitinkitinkita is a red flag. And the larger the testicles the larger the sperm production into show maba no so kakra na eboa ma sperm production ye more enti pacho salty and kana and them yare american ho asem ya eya na eche bebre na obi make count emuhwehwe ne mu yo yasana oba no so gun sen unya unusual vaginal discharges unsen so bi free waseba a very offensive ankasa unya intermittent rashes and someone some be go it me go to it me go any part of your body onim say enem ya rate me e cause blindness especially syphilis na ankasa your condition be a friend as syphilitic arthritis obi o have unsen na nsa ni say na e make noise e gugu o say doctor me bones no me joints no e ya gregre unim say emwa no go your system na baby omo pepa your joints waposo and for instance a syphilis emwa no boru ma dey deform the bones into go say obi o ha o background no wachia enye always be at a certain position and I say obi o ha na emwa no syphilis na boru bones ni into obi o ha de bia na ne koto je ni ya so boru akase ni ma dey cause friction obi won say dey so bi wo joint my friend synovial fluid omo absorbing on that then harden the cartilages into be kakra bi na bone to bone friction obi won say de bia na kase no esiso na ehia na eya wo yankasa syphilis no so tin mane basa etimi say woni yankasa bi say san bi be na esisi ho yankasa etimi say esi wo eyeball no so retina also automatically you be from it is no be me bi ho na wuti mo say o doctor me masema bofum den tin na bofum my medra bema data PKs I don't do my work like that. I tell the cause of the condition. What could be the cause of erectile dysfunction? Remember sending in a man by an Abiana and them yare American one. Because gonorrhea, for instance, and chlamydia penetrated through and one per baby a hello, baby a tukuda. And you won't say, oh, my man, it's me, be a friend, say, urethral stricture. Obviously, or Johnson, I need more pie too. And yenta for now, but sometimes no, it could be an infection. Into a bus and a bones or bemano and monaco. I saw a dog fool. Now on the phone, we say in your banner would jan grow, yes, sir. In a bassa one beam or bermano, in nutrients who didn't almost so absorb and on my panel. There be an berman just in air shrinking. But the time a berman so to you, it could be what in Bacho. Maybe I say over banner yen shimu. Near Shawana, then it can say Dr. Piquet said they make me a medical scientist and also a herbal practitioner. About Brockman Messiah, there's medical scientist and also a herbal practice. And maybe be a standard way. Into what I do is say, for instance, my specialty in your war. Say, we are in Kumasi Ashanti region. Yeah, if you now won't do no home. Me sister will quadruple, mammy or triplets. Me and Casami, my cotton and Cassa. Bemo, by whom is a America, and I'm one of until I won't do no. And I said, my course in home school. And I'm doing him, dear, so I may apply. And I'm named Diana Missiana Brofunum. Yeah, me further training or conformity radiology department. Until Bassa Yen Sheni Pedrian Mancasa. Makoda Rumpa, and I'm the medicine account media, especially I was said in American and Makoda Rumpa. It's more condition be a debia misses ye treat fertility treatment. What we do is that our first point of contact should be the Bermano. Because Bermano, you are the one producing, you are the one causing the pregnancy. Naya Mia be brain itself, will be about say doctor me Mawari for 10 years. Or ma in the last one or say also 16 years. Omra or say doctor me na me hu say me menses name my intimate problem film. Me pacho udi actually sana wa money nyina be kawem. Pacho try to convince your man to come. And especially me testing now so be free for memano. And memma testing now this week and next week. Me free this week and next week. Intim pacho mo ye couples na mo banka sa be man de menjiniska because say na me person be ba maso so doctor de ma produce for 3 months 6 months 1 year me ko nyinsen bia mai it worries me. That is why I say me be me bia no this week and next week ni nyina no me ye ma mo free both in Kumasi and Accra. Intim pacho so bibia ni me contact no e was screen so Dr. PK was me number 0T44 87 84 31 0T44 8784 31 Kwabenya Kumasi Abrepo ye Kumasi Abrepo highways and Accra so Kwabenya Goy filling station or Kwabenya bisa Dr. Mesia the other Dr. Piku so be a bachelor unya ba ye twasu bi mankasa said na make na kasa no me say endem ya re ni ade a esi a won kwan pa no so and a man masem so ba from a man ankasa so obi ho abun so oye bibi kakra bi anu abre endem ya re so timi e cause etimi fra woni ankasa e cause frequent urination it will be was Dr. Mejon so be brave wodru abontin. The reason why I said Dr. Piki was mean near abontin is that me no I am coming from the point of diagnosis. Me a yeni pediamonia system it would so be bra sometimes when you share match be now infections are immune system na ankasa has to expel it out. It will say what shall say what of match be now gonorrhea chlamydia bi oho by the next the so would so be because of system name pain infections na airban so just one has to expel them out ankasa it you tend to urinate more until so so be bram any na yes say Dr. Mejon so be brain to mamedru check the cause it could be send them your rated to imagine so be brain it could be related to prostate enlargement but maybe you have say or nyina na the prostate no cause a freebies prostatitis infections need to me man cause sir and I'll be also on the prostate BPH ankasa eye kesebun se unya oligouria kakra bia no akojonso kakra bia no akojonso and them ya reso to me man ebasa ankasa me will be oha obanan prostate too enlarged about more than 120 kbq. The prostate size should be about 40-50 kbq. No, now I can say because of inflammation in the ankasa. Enti pacho salty enka. Now Johnson our bra men kunya uropathy. Chain bra data PK also. Na yenshe how we see abomini aba se meta on yas. Enti ye kumasa report how with condition be how be on NATTT. They just pressure diabetes me managing. But I'm mission correct. Ye kumasa report how with na crack kwabenya. Me number ne was screen so me say me ma test no for fertility me any free mamu. Call me doctor. Me how on ye me number is 0T44 878431 0T44 878431. Me that say.
Yes, yeah, that say papa panty Dr. Pico Suno na yatenen ken yen komra na yeba yebetwaso.